Today is another day and another episode of our gele time. We are here for simple DIY gele. So let's go. Today we are tying that head wrap you see on my head, and it is very simple. I always say simple, simple. I've said that in, I don't know, I lose count. So guys, today we're going to tie that simple head wrap. Grab your material, fold it the way it is seen in the video. Just focus and see what I'm doing. After folding it straight like that, then you bring it like join the bow together like this. All right, concentrate. That's all you need. Stephanie, you can do it. So when you do that, you just make some pleats, just a little. You can, if you want, you can make it bigger than mine, but I want it like this. Okay, so you just make it a little like that, then you're going to turn it in. You turn it in like this, then we are going to be putting it right head on our head. Okay guys, so you can see how I placed it now. Just take note of the steps. And after that, you need your elastic band again to grab that front. Yeah, just tightening it up. Okay, after tightening it up, we are almost done. I told you earlier that it is very easy, very fast, very simple. So we are almost done here. Then we come to the front and just do what I'm doing. Explanation, I said my explanation might not be good enough, but your eyes will not deceive you, okay? So you need to watch, focus, so very easy. You grab it at the middle like that, like you divide it to two and use your elastic band to grab it. Guys, you have been doing wonderfully well. Like, some people have been sharing my videos, and I really appreciate you guys. I don't know how to even thank you. I don't know how many thank you I have to say, but God even know that I really appreciate you guys. So keep on sharing. Let's see which more people want to learn simple head wrap and they can do it by themselves. All right. So thank you so much. And guys, don't forget to like again, don't forget to share again, don't forget to follow. If you haven't followed my page, kindly follow, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave your comments. What do you think about the head wrap? And that is it. We are done. You see, I've divided with my rubber band, and that is what I have. I'll have to cover that rubber band, yeah, because it's not the color of my material. If it were to be black, I would have leave it like that, but I have to cover it up to give it that look. See your baby girl. I'm done. I am done. See you guys.